to Betty's Cooking Channel. This morning I'm going to make a broccoli and cheese omelet. So let's get started. I have the stove top on medium high. And I have 2 cups of broccoli I'm going to add to the skillet. Cook that. I have added 2 tablespoons of butter to the pan. I'll add a half a teaspoon of sea salt and half a teaspoon of black pepper. The broccoli steam, so I'll cover it with some parchment paper to let it cook and steam. The broccoli is ready, so I'm going to remove it from the skillet. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of avocado oil to the skillet. I have 6 eggs, 1/2 cup of milk, that's half and half. I have half a cup of Parmesan cheese. I have 1/3 of a cup of olives. I'm gonna mix everything together. I have 3 eggs in the container, and it's 6 eggs all together. That's 6 eggs. I'm gonna mix up everything really well. I'm gonna pour the milk in there. The Parmesan cheese. The olives. This is a very easy recipe. It's great when you have a large family in town. That way you can mix this up and kind of forget about it. And now we're just going to pour this over the broccoli. Okay, pour the broccoli in the skillet. Place the mixture over the top of it. Turning the eye on medium heat. I'm going to let it heat up a little bit for about 4 minutes before I place it in the oven. I'm going to add 1/4 cup of cheese on the top. Notice the eggs have set, so I'm going to go ahead and place them in oven at 450 degrees, which is on broil, for about 4 or 5 minutes. If you like this video, like, subscribe, and share this video. Thanks for watching.